Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your investment strategy with Vanguard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To reset your investment strategy with Vanguard, start by visiting the Vanguard website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, select Open an account to create one. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard. Review your current investments and performance. Take note of any investments that no longer align with your goals. Identify your investment objectives, such as saving for retirement or a major purchase. Consider your risk tolerance and how much market volatility you can handle. Research Vanguard's investment options, focusing on mutual funds, ETFs, or target date funds. Use Vanguard's investment tools to help gauge risk and return expectations. Create a diversified portfolio that aligns with your investment goals. Decide on an asset allocation strategy that reflects your risk tolerance. Place your orders for new investments through the Vanguard platform. Periodically review your portfolio at least once a year. Reassess your investment goals based on life changes or market conditions. Adjust your strategy as necessary to stay on track with your objectives. Familiarize yourself with Vanguard's educational resources for ongoing learning. Stay informed about market trends that may impact your investments. Lastly, be patient and give your new strategy time to grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.